Everyone, today we will be seeing if your HDMI ports are not working in your Toshiba TV, then what you can do. First of all, just check that every port is not working or there is any individual port which is not turning on. So for this, what you can do, just connect one device at once with each and every port. It is having 3 ports, so you can take single device and attach once at a one time, so that you can just see that which one is not working. So as you will be connecting to them, then in this inputs it will be showing you the device that has been connected to it. If after connecting you find that only one port is the other port is not working, then you can try other thing. You can just replace the device and can try the same thing with the second device. So you can just cross check that either the device would be the faulty one, not your TV's HDMI port. But now also if it is not working, then that's for sure your device is not working. So now for this, what you can do is just try to do one thing. Just go to your settings and then in this go to your system. Okay, after going to your system, you can just try to reset or restart your system. It could be the possibility that your problem will be fixed up. If it doesn't get fixed now also, what you can do is you can now go to factory reset option. You can just factory reset your system. If there is some software issue, because of that it is not accessing the devices, then it will be set by the system. If after factory resetting it is not working, then what you can do is just, okay, now also if it is not working, your HDMI ports are dead. So for that you can just further contact to your customer support service. This is the site of Toshiba. So now you can just contact them from here. You can just contact them and you can either call on this number or you can just write your name and your issue and you can send them the message. So they will revert back to you. So this is the way how you can just file your issue, and after I think in 24 hours they will get revert back to you. So thanks for watching.